In today's video, I am going to teach you how to transfer Facebook business page ownership. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. From there, switch over to the Facebook business page that you want to transfer. This is important because the settings you need are managed directly from the page. Once you are on the correct page, look to the left-hand menu and click Settings. This will open the main control area for your page. Inside Settings, select Page Setup. In the Page Setup section, find and click Page Access. This is where Facebook lets you control who can manage the page and what level of access they have. Under the section called People with Facebook Access, click Add New. Facebook will then prompt you to choose the person you want to add. Enter the name of the person you want to give access to. Then select the correct profile from the list. After that, assign the appropriate level of Facebook access. If you are transferring ownership or full control of the page, make sure this person is given full Facebook access so they can manage all page settings and permissions. After you send the invitation, the next step is to wait. The other person will need to accept the invitation before the transfer is fully in place. Once they accept, return to the Page Access section and confirm that their name now appears under People with Facebook Access. At this point, check that the new person has the correct permissions and is able to manage the page. This is the most important part of the process. You do not want to remove your own access until you are sure the new person is properly added and can fully control the page. If you no longer want to manage the page yourself, you can then remove your own access. Do this only after confirming that the other person has full access and everything is working correctly. This helps avoid losing control of the page by mistake. As a final check, review the People with Facebook Access list one more time. Make sure the new person is listed there and has the ability to manage the page without any issues. Once that is confirmed, the Facebook business page ownership transfer is complete. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.